Remove the 4 screws on the left side of the cutting machine. Install the computer stand. Remove the tray on the computer stand and fix the screws. Install the computer fixing plate and tray. Plug in the remote control antenna. Plug in the wireless mouse receiver. Plug in the network cable. Plug in the computer power cord. Fix the computer on the fixing plate. Put the remote control antenna on the computer fixing plate. Installation completed. Open the water inlet cap. Add tap water to the junction of yellow and green. Close the water inlet cap. Connect the water cooler inlet L to the cutting machine outlet L. Connect the water cooler outlet L to the cutting machine inlet L. Connect the water cooler inlet H to the cutting machine outlet H. Connect the water cooler outlet H to the cutting machine inlet H. Connect the gas cylinder to the cutting machine shielding gas. Unscrew the gas cylinder valve and adjust the gas pressure to about 1 megapascal. Connect the power cord according to the voltage requirements and turn on the main switch. Turn on the water cooler switch. Wait for the water temperature to exceed 22 degrees centigrade. Turn on the emergency stop switch. Turn on the key switch. Press the clamp switch to open the clamp. Push the clamp open and put the plate in. Press the clamp switch again to clamp the clamp. Tighten the fixing clip to fix the clamp. When shutting down, turn off the laser switch first, then press the emergency stop switch. Then turn off the computer. Finally, turn off the main switch.
Remove the leather cover of the remote control. Loosen the 2 screws on the back of the remote control. Open the battery cover. Install the battery. Cover the cover. Tighten the 2 screws on the cover. Install the leather cover. Turn on the switch on the side of the remote control. Click the blue up or down arrow and the cutting head starts to move forward and backward. Click the blue left or right arrow and the cutting head starts to move left and right. Press fast and press one of the blue up, down, left and right arrows at the same time. The cutting head can move fast in one direction. Press Fn and press frame at the same time. The cutting head starts to move along the maximum border of the cutting pattern. Press Fn and press dry run at the same time. The cutting head starts to move along the outline of the cutting pattern. Press start and the cutting machine starts cutting. Press pause and the cutting machine pauses cutting. Press resume and the cutting machine continues the original work. Press stop to stop the current cutting. Press blow to blow air manually. Press shutter to open the laser shutter. Open the shutter before cutting. Press the yellow laser to emit laser. Press cap calibrate to calibrate the cutting head.
Double-click the to-cut head icon to open the software. Click CNC on the toolbar above. Click Return to Origin. Click Start Return to Origin. Wait for the system to return to origin. Click File. Click Open. Select the file to be cut. Click Common. Click Size. Enter the required size. Click OK. Drag the graphic into the cutting range. Move the cutting head to the required position. Adjust the cutting head to within 3 cm above the workpiece. Click CNC. Click Calibrate. Click Start Calibration. Wait for calibration to complete. Click Exit. Click Process Parameters to adjust the cutting machine parameters. Click OK. Click Start to start cutting.